What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we need to talk about Doge. So a lot of people expected for Dogecoin to go up yesterday for Doge Day 420, but we did not do what they expected it to. And honestly, to be realistic, we were never going to do that. I did explain in my previous video how we may drop, or we may jump, but we actually ended up dropping. So let's explain to here why we ended up dropping here. So like if we go all the way back here, we had 500% growth inside of Doge for 5 days. Inside of a week, we had 500% growth in Doge. So when this happens, we definitely need to drop. So we had all this growth and then we started dropping, but then the hype kept going. So if the hype did not keep going, Doge would have consolidated right here around 20 cents before we even jumped again. But the hype kept going because of Doge Day, and that's when we finally hit the peak here. But then that's when everyone starts to sell out right up here. Everyone starts to sell out right up here, and then it starts to go down and down and down. But we had 500% of growth, so that's why we continued to drop with Doge. So I definitely do not think we will go any below than 20 cents. That is definitely our resistance there. At 30 cents, we're resisting here right now. But if we go below 30 cents again, like here, we will go down to 20 cents. And let me explain this theory here. So if we go down to 20 cents here, let's go all the way back to where we were only worth 0.004 cents with Doge. Alright, so let's go all the way back here. Around this time, we were worth 0.004 cents, right? So this is a really big time in Doge right back here. Doge was really cheap. But as you can see, we were worth 0.004 cents at one time with Doge. And then Doge starts to jump here. So as you can see, Doge has a huge jump. But when Doge drops, because obviously we can't just go up and continue to go up without any drops in the price. So we had to have some consolidation here. So we went all the way up here. We went all the way up here to 1 cent with Doge. But then we dropped down all the way here to 7 cents. But did we go below, not 7 cents, but 0.007. But did we go to 0.004? No. We actually started trading sideways until this point about right here. We did not go below 0.007 because that was our resistance. So then we jumped again after 1 month, 25 days, about 1 month here. And then we went from 0.007 all the way up to 6 cents. But we dropped down to 2 cents. But did we go below 2 cents? No, because that was our resistance. So how long did it take for us to continue to grow here in Doge? It only took a few days for it to continue to do some more growth. So as you can see here, it went from 3 cents all the way up here to 8 cents. Similar to how our growth was now. And then we got to our peak. But as you know, we had to drop a little bit. So we start dropping from 8 cents, right? We drop from 8 cents all the way down here to 4 cents. But do we go below 4 cents? No, because that's our resistance. We do not break our resistance here with Doge. So we just trade sideways here. We stay around 4 cents. We keep going by to 4 cents to 5 cents. But we don't go below that. But when we finally hit this area here, we jump. We go from 6 cents all the way up to 37 cents. And then just like we've seen before, we drop because we have to. We cannot just continue to sustain all that growth. That's 500% worth of growth right there. So we had to drop. And then more hype comes on. So then we go up, but we go down. And what I'm saying here is our resistance is 20 cents. So we should not pass our 20 cents resistance. And as you can see previously, we do not pass our resistance with Doge. We jump, but then we stay stagnant at our resistance, and then we jump again. So we jump, we drop, we stay stagnant, and then we jump. So right now we dropped, and right now is our stagnant period. We're going to stay stagnant for about 25 days. So yes, expect to see Doge hovering around 30 cents, maybe 40 cents, maybe around 20 cents, but anywhere from 20 to 40 cents for the next month. And then after that month is really when we're going to take off with Doge right now. So yeah, definitely expect a month before we actually take off in Doge. And yeah, we have some really big resistance here at 20 cents. I definitely would not expect Doge to just do a random breakout. If we did, it would be because Elon Musk is tweeting about Doge. It would not be anything fundamental that does a breakout with Doge. But yeah, it would just be because Elon Musk is tweeting. So yeah, we could definitely break out in Doge here, but we would definitely need a tweet from Elon. But other than that, we will continue to sustain the growth that we have here in Doge. We should not go below 20 cents. And I'm still in Doge. I had 11,000 in Doge. Now it's at 8,100. But I'm going to stay in Doge to the moon. And we are all going to stay in Doge to the moon because we have diamond hands here. We are not going to sell out with Doge here. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out Twitter here, because we are not the top trending Twitter tag here. We are no longer top trending on Twitter, but it's still good. We're still not doing bad here with Doge. We still have different articles being made about Doge every day. So yeah, New Egg is on the Doge train right now. If we go over here to For You page, for me, you can see Bloomberg is trending with Doge. They have what's behind Doge's wild week. They're trying to find it out. But we all know what was behind this wild week with Doge, and it was Doge Day 420. It was really just all the hype around it, all the hype with all of our community. But yeah, we're all doing good here with Doge. Even there's a lot of people here that are still optimistic about it. We still have a community around Doge. Scarlet Fu is on Doge. Don't know who that is, but she's verified. Look at all these verified people on Doge. More Bloomberg Wealth on Doge. Bloomberg Quick Take on Doge. We have Lisa Fisher. Don't know who that is, but they are verified and they are with Doge. Bloomberg Quick Take. We have all these different Bloomberg channels on Doge. So yes, we're still rising on Doge. We just need some room here. We just need some space to grow. We still have famous people here with Doge. We have Snoop Dogg. He is with Doge. We have Lil Yachty. He is here with Doge. We have Soulja Boy. He is with Doge. We have a lot of famous artists here with Doge. And yeah, we have Ross Gruber here with Doge. Don't know who that is. Co-founder and CEO and investment advisor, stock market advisor. So yeah, musician, co-founder. So yeah, this guy, he is a entrepreneur here. We have Robinhood. Robinhood now offers that. They now offer the purchase of 1 Doge instead of having to purchase 10 Doge. Because you used to have to purchase 10 Doge in order to get Doge on Robinhood. Now you only have to purchase 1 Doge for that. So yeah, this is just the Dogecoin winking at you for Robinhood. Now you can also get Dogecoin on Webull, so that's also going to rise up the Doge price. And they're trying to get Dogecoin on Coinbase. That will be really big for Dogecoin because Coinbase is one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there. But yeah, doing really good things here in Doge. We're continuing to grow every day in Doge. Maybe it's tomorrow. No, that it's whenever Elon tweets. If Elon Musk tweets that Doge is going to go up, Doge will go up. If he doesn't tweet, give it about a month and we'll go up without his tweet. But yeah, this is from Shibatoshi Nakamoto. He is the founder of Dogecoin. His name is really hard to pronounce, but yeah, I've said this from start. I would like Doge to do well, but much more important to me is that the community is a force for good. I don't own Dogecoin. My stake is quite small for a creator. I'm just a guy who happened to make it, who will tell you things as they are. So yeah, he's telling people not to gamble in Doge. He is the creator, but he did not hold his Dogecoin. He does not have diamond hands, and in result, he is not a millionaire or a billionaire now because he did not hold Dogecoin. But he created it, so you can see how salty he is. But yeah, he's definitely telling truth. You don't want to gamble on Dogecoin because it's really volatile. But yeah, as you can see, he sold all his Dogecoin for a Honda Accord. So if he did not sell his Dogecoin for a Honda Accord years ago, that same Dogecoin would probably be worth about $5 million. Just speculating here, not doing actual math. But he would be a millionaire if he held on to his Dogecoin. So that's really crazy to think about, that Dogecoin is continuing to rise. We actually have Dogecoin here on Webull now. So that's really good with Dogecoin. I'm making a Webull account too. So I definitely think you should sign up. So definitely check out Webull. I have a link in the description for that. So you can get a free stock with Webull when you sign up. And if you look over here for Google Trends, we are still trending with Dogecoin. So we are still trending. Alaska is actually the top state looking for Dogecoin right now. Then we have Washington and California, Utah, and Arizona. But yeah, Dogecoin is doing really big in Alaska. I guess they're real big on Dogecoin out there. But yeah, in the past hour, as you can see, we are trending still for Dogecoin. So this is not the end for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to continue to rise. Look here in the past 4 hours. In the past 4 hours, we're still trending with Dogecoin. And if you look at for the past day, it's not as big, but we're still trending with Dogecoin. And in the past 7 days, obviously we're not going to be as big as we were at the 16th, because at the 16th, that's when we hit 43 cents. So we had more people in on Dogecoin. But we will definitely reach that point again. but it's crazy to see without all this hype, we're still sustaining the growth. We're still at 30 cents without all that hype. So just imagine when the hype comes back, we're gonna go above 40 cents. We're gonna go above 50 cents. When the hype comes back, we can definitely expect to see 60 cents to $1 with Dogecoin. But like I said, give it about a month and then we will do numbers in Dogecoin. In the last 7 days, North Dakota has been searching for Dogecoin the most. So North Dakota, y'all definitely made money in the last 7 days with Dogecoin. They're doing really big things out there. Let's look over here at CoinGecko and look at our market cap for Dogecoin. We're at $39 billion for Dogecoin. We were at $50 billion at the peak of all of this hype. So that is something to think about. If we get more hype back, if Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin again, we will gain about $11 billion inside market cap within a day. And that will bring us back up to like 45 cents, maybe even 50 cents. We'll be at about $55 billion in market cap at 50 cents. But yeah, we're definitely going to get to 50 cents. Just give it a month. Give it about a month right here. But yeah, as we look at Dogecoin has unlimited supply. So we have 129 billion supply of Dogecoin. And unlike Bitcoin and Cardano, they have a certain amount of Bitcoin and Cardano that can be mined. So you cannot make unlimited Bitcoin or Cardano, which will ultimately rise the price of Bitcoin and Cardano over time. But with Dogecoin actually lowers its inflation over time. So over time, Dogecoin is continued to being but it's made over time like the US dollar. But the price continues to rise because the inflation continues to decrease over time with Dogecoin. So we're definitely doing good numbers here with Dogecoin. We definitely have good fundamentals. We just got to hold for a little while. Honestly, what I see here with Dogecoin, I really do see Dogecoin around $10. But once we do reach $10, what do we see after that? We may not see Dogecoin going too high. $10 Dogecoin is something to look at for years, not to I would not look at Dogecoin to rise $10 within the next few months. I would definitely say that's something to think about in the coming years, but not months. But yeah, we should definitely see $1 in the next few months though. So yeah, when we see $1 here with Dogecoin, that's gonna be really big. And so yeah, let's just continue to be optimistic here with Dogecoin. Let's continue to hold it and hold with diamond hands. Let's look up something here. Look up some little facts here. Is Dogecoin inflationary or deflationary? As you can see, Dogecoin, it falls into the inflationary group, which means it goes up indefinitely. Dogecoin, you can create as many Dogecoin as you want. Deflationary is the limited supply, so that is your Bitcoin, your Cardano. So yeah, that is definitely something to think about. Bitcoin and Cardano, the reason why they continue to go up and up and up is because they are deflationary and you can only have a limited supply. This is really big with Dogecoin, meaning that Dogecoin, let's say really long term, like let's say we wait about 10 years, right? Dogecoin will go up as our inflation, does its thing. So as our inflation does its thing, Dogecoin's price will continue to go up and follow inflation. So let's say Dogecoin, like the US dollar, continues to rise, inflation continues to go crazy. Dogecoin will follow that same path because we create Dogecoin indefinitely. So if all of a sudden $1 is almost like it's worth $100, look at Dogecoin as if one Dogecoin is now worth 100 Dogecoin. We're doing the same thing here with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is definitely going to continue to rise. As you can see, the US dollar continues to hold less and less value. I actually went to a store the other day and seen that something that used to cost $10 costs $14. So that is definitely crazy. It's definitely crazy because if you think about it, Dogecoin is following the same path. We're going to continue to see Dogecoin's price rise, and it's going to really rise at the same rate as the US dollar maybe, or maybe at a different rate. But we are definitely going to rise here with Dogecoin. But yeah, it's definitely a lot different than Bitcoin. That's why it does not follow Bitcoin's patterns here. We just kind of follow the hype here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is definitely a hype coin. But yeah, we're still doing good numbers here in Dogecoin. So yeah, I definitely expect to be higher than 30 cents inside of a month. But definitely expect us to hit 20 cents if we do continue to drop. Now, I don't want us to drop here with Dogecoin. I definitely believe if we continue to rise here with Dogecoin, that we're definitely going to see some good gains within a month. I mean, yeah, just give it a month and we will do good here with Dogecoin. Like, we came all the way down here. We have some good resistance here around 20 cents. So definitely don't expect it to go down below that. And yeah, like I said, within a few months, like this is April 27th around here. This would be inside of about 6 days. I would definitely say in 6 days, we could be at 40 cents in 6 days. So just think about that. We could be at 40 cents in 6 days. But also another thing to think about is we could be at 20 cents in 6 days. Like, you never know with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an unpredictable coin. It's unpredictable. It's really just unpredictable here. It's unpredictable crypto. All of it is unpredictable, really. Even Bitcoin is unpredictable. But you can kind of predict that Bitcoin is going to go up over time. But yeah, as you can see, we're going to grow here in Dogecoin. Give it about a month, we'll grow. Our optimistic view is 40 cents inside the next 6 days. But our realistic view, we're looking at 40 cents by May 20th, honestly. That's going to be the realistic view. But if we're being optimistic, we could see Doge at $40 in 6 days optimistically. And realistically, yeah, like I said, we'll see it inside 20 days. But if we look at here, we're at 30 cents for Doge right now. So let's say in a couple days we drop down here. Let's just say we go down to 25 cents, right? Like I said, our resistance is at 20 cents. So let's say we go down to 25 cents. We may stop there and then hit a bull run with Doge. That's if we dip huge right here. If we continue to dip big, Doge will have a lot of people bringing money back in, because what happens when it dips, people take money out temporarily, and then when they see it drop, they see more buying opportunities, so they put the money back in, and then they ride it back up to the moon. So that is what we're expecting to see here in Doge. So yeah, a lot of things can happen in Doge right now. Nobody really knows. Like, we could have two things that happen right now. We could either just go crazy in Doge and just go to 40 cents in a couple days, or we could just be stagnant in Doge and then go to 40 cents within a month. So that's what we're seeing here with Doge. Or we can be really pessimistic with Doge and then go down to like 25 cents right now. So Doge has about 3 different options it can do right now. I definitely believe we are going to be more on this line here. I definitely don't, like, if we do hit 45 cents in the next few days, that's cool. Elon Musk will probably tweet something and it will help that growth. But what I really expect for Doge to do is the more long-term growth here within about a month. But yeah, we've said all that. It's all said and done. So we know what we're doing with Doge. We're holding. We have diamond hands. We're not about to just sell out and lose out all our money. So just continue to follow the Doge wave and continue to ride the train all the way up to Dogetown, so then we can ride the rocket all the way up to the moon. We're going to the moon with Dogecoin. Do not leave Dogecoin out of it. We have so many people here. We got Snoop Dogg, we got Lil Yachty, we got Soulja Boy. That's just a few rappers, you know. We have Weeble here with Doge. We have Newegg here with Doge. And Newegg actually sent a shout out to Elon Musk here. So let's see what Newegg said. So let's go to Newegg. As you know, the biggest technology company out there. One of the biggest technology company. I wouldn't say the biggest, but they're selling PC hardware, gaming stuff, software, all that. But yeah, they accept Doge now, so that's really big. They accept Doge. That's really, really big for Newegg right here. Let's scroll down and look at this tweet from Newegg though. They had a tweet directed to Elon Musk here. So they said, "Hey Elon Musk, if we accept Dogecoin as a payment option, what do you buy from us? Doge Day, Dogecoin." So this is really big for Newegg right here. I want to see Elon Musk respond to this. He most likely won't, but that's big that they're actually optimistic on it and that they actually added Dogecoin without a retweet from Elon Musk. They just added it off their own will. This is pretty big that they added it to Newegg. Now they have BitPay. This is really crazy right now. So Dogecoin has another supporter here. And Newegg is really big inside the gaming community. Really big in every community. Newegg is the top technology website that you want to get your hardware, your PCs and stuff from. I'm actually going to get a gaming laptop from them. So let's see if they can give me a little sponsorship so I can get a discounted laptop there. But yeah, we definitely got hot deals going on here with Newegg. And yeah, we have Dogecoin here with Newegg, so we're now doing big numbers here with Newegg. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the description for a free stock when you sign up with Robinhood, free stock when you sign up with Public, and a free stock when you sign up with Webull. It's actually good to sign up with all three because you're gonna get free stocks for all three of them. That's free money. You could have about $100 for free right now if you just do all that. And yeah, I will be back with another video. Peace.